So whenever I'm talking about tools or products, this is definitely a product that I recommend. This is the thread and nut lock from Wolf Industries, and what it does is it will lock your screws into place, but then still leaves them adjustable after it cures, and the screws won't loosen or back out like with other adhesives. The main thing I use these on are these guys right here, these little split screws. They're very commonly found in Japanese scissors, and they will either look like this, where they're just split right down the middle, but more commonly the one that you find and run into that gives you issue is this one right here, split 4 ways. Now the premise of how these screws actually work is as you thread the screw through the scissor hole, the neck or the mid shaft will tighten, and then the bottom piece of the screw that sticks out of the scissor hole will actually bulge out or balloon or mushroom out, holding the tension. And the problem with these is they lose their ability to do this over time, and sizing them up or trying to find replacement parts is next to impossible. The second most common thing I use this adhesive for are these cheaper craft scissors or sewing scissors, and these get made with a screw that gets embedded into a plastic nub, and anybody who's gotten a loose pair of these knows once the threads go in that plastic nub, they're virtually impossible to tighten back up. Another added bonus about this adhesive is it comes with a precision applicator, and you'll notice the adhesive actually fills this neck, which is really convenient, so when you're done it backloads into the reservoir, making this not clog up. How I set a split screw is I will set the tension right where I want it, and 1 drop down the middle of the split screw is all it takes. Same thing here with the craft scissors, just 1 drop in that reservoir. And the beautiful thing about this adhesive is you simply reassemble, and then after 24 hours it cures. You'll still be able to make adjustments, loosen or tighten them, and it just works wonderfully.